Please read the passage once again, everybody. Find some more important points, though they are not there in as questions. I have given you the toughest passage as the first passage itself. If you can understand this passage, you can understand any other passage. Yeah, 7, almost all have joined. Only a few are left. All those who are regularly attending classes almost have joined. Can somebody tell me the summary of the passage? Does Sherlock Holmes know the retired sergeant of Marines? This is the question you have to answer next. Does Sherlock Holmes know the retired sergeant of Marines? Read the passage again. The question is, does Sherlock Holmes know the retired sergeant of Marines? How did he recognize? How did Sherlock Holmes recognize the retired sergeant of Marines? You have already seen in the first line itself that Sherlock Holmes is a detective.
Detective.
Yeah. Now tell me. Read the passage again. Tell me. Does he know the retired sergeant of Marines? How did he recognize him? Second period. Next. So I have read the passage again. Quickly, read it, read it, read it. If you have not understood, read it again. Sometimes you may read 3 or 4 readings, sometimes more than that. See, Dr. Watson was talking to Sherlock Holmes. Who was Sherlock Holmes? A detective. When they noticed a man across, and Dr. Watson and Sherlock Holmes were there, they noticed a man crossing across the road. Passing across the road. I wonder what that fellow is looking for. So who is the narrator of the story? Tell me. Who is telling the story? Who is telling the story?
Watson.
Narrator ever indulo? Dr. Watson.
Yes, sir.
ఎట్లా తెలుసు ఐ అని అన్నాడు డాక్టర్ వాట్సన్ అని బ్రాకెట్ లో ఉంది అవునా యూ కెన్ అండర్స్టాండ్ దట్ డాక్టర్ వాట్సన్ ఈస్ స్పీకింగ్ డాక్టర్ వాట్సన్ ఈస్ నరేటింగ్ దిస్ ఇన్సిడెంట్ read it again until you understand. Read it. Dr. Watson was talking to Sherlock Holmes, the detective, when they noticed a man across the street. I wonder what that fellow is looking for, Dr. Watson asked, pointing to a stalwart. So there was a stalwart crossing the road, and how was that person plainly dressed individual who was walking slowly down the street, other side of the street, looking anxiously at the numbers. They were looking anxiously at the numbers, which numbers we don't know. He had a large blue envelope in his hand. That person who had a large blue envelope in his hand?
A man.
That man, right, very good. The man had a large envelope in his hand and was evidently the bearer of a message. Very clearly, that envelope contains a message. Okay. Now, in the second line, a question was asked by Dr. Watson, and the answer is given in the sixth line. I wonder what the fellow is looking for is the question. This is the answer. You mean the retired sergeant of Marines? Said Sherlock Holmes. I wonder what the fellow is looking for. వాడు ఏం చేస్తున్నాడు అక్కడ ఏం వెతుకుతున్నాడు ఆ ఫెలో అని అన్నాడు డాక్టర్ వాట్సన్. యు మీన్ ద రిటైర్డ్ సార్జెంట్ ఆఫ్ మరీన్స్? రిటైర్డ్ సార్జెంట్ ఆఫ్ మరీన్స్ గురించి అంటున్నావా అన్నాడు. The point is that Holmes had never seen the man before. See, had he seen the retired sergeant of Marines, Sherlock Holmes, earlier?
No.
No. He is very clearly telling. The point is that Holmes had never seen the man before. Then how did he recognize him? ఇప్పుడు చెప్పండి కనీసం ఇప్పుడు చదవండి. I have explained you. Read the entire paragraph. How did Sherlock Holmes recognize the sergeant of Marines? Sherlock Holmes is a detective. It is not a passage for explanation. This is not a lesson for me to explain. You have to understand this passage. Read it again. క్లియర్ గా కనబడుతుంది. ఒక 2-3 సార్లు చదివితే అర్థమవుతుంది. Read the second paragraph. You mean that sergeant of Marines? Read it. Read it aloud. Who was that man looking for? That retired sergeant of man was looking for whom? The Marines was looking for whom?
Sherlock Holmes.
Yes,
Sherlock
looking for Sherlock Holmes.
Holmes.
Dr. Watson was amazed, surprised. Though Sherlock Holmes never had seen the sergeant of Marines, he had recognized. How? He reasoned out. He asked him, and Sherlock Holmes answered. See, this is the answer. Read the last paragraph. Though Sherlock Holmes never saw the retired sergeant of Marines, he says he could see a great blue anchor tattooed on back of the fellow's hand venaka anchor undi, tattoo chesi undi. Okay, that smacked of the sea. The sea anchor ekkada untundi? Ship ki anchor untundi. Ship ఆగాలి యాంకర్ వేస్తే అవుతుంది. సో అది సీన్ గుర్తు చేస్తుంది. అండ్ హీ హ్యాడ్ ఎ మిలిటరీ క్యారేజ్. హౌఎవర్ అండ్ రెగ్యులేషన్ సైడ్ విస్కర్స్ ఉన్నాయి అతడికి, మిలిటరీ మ్యాన్ అన్నట్టుగా. ఎవరు? సార్జెంట్ ఆఫ్ మెరీన్స్, సముద్రం మీద తిరిగేటువంటి ఆఫీసర్, మిలిటరీ ఆఫీసర్. సో యాంకర్ బొమ్మ ఉన్నది, టట్టు ఉన్నది, మిలిటరీ క్యారేజ్ ఉన్నది, తర్వాత సైడ్ విస్కర్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఇదంతా తెలియజేస్తుంది అతడు మిలిటరీ వాడని. మరి డిటెక్టివ్ పని అదే కదా. జస్ట్ బై లుకింగ్ ఎట్ ద పర్సన్ హీ హ్యాస్ టు టెల్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్. హీ విల్ టెల్. See, read some books written by Arthur Conan Doyle or Agatha Christie. You will understand how intelligent you also can be. Just by looking at the person, Sherlock Holmes tells about that person. Everything, his history also he can tell by looking at the person, by looking at his dress, by looking at his hairstyle, by looking at the way he walks. He can tell everyone. That is the greatness of Sherlock Holmes, the detective. Okay. There we have the marine. He was a man with some amount of self-importance. Walking style lo kuda oka self-importance anedi kanapadutundi. Because of all these things, I could recognize this person as the retired sergeant of marines అని చెప్తున్నాడు. ఎందుకంటే ఇవన్నీ ఎందుకు తెలుసు ఇతడికి? Because he was waiting for that man. Sherlock Holmes was waiting for that man, the retired sergeant of marines. Okay, all these are the things you have to understand just by reading 2 or 3 times. Now go to the next slide. Come on, quickly. Next passage. Can you see it clearly?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Read the questions first or the paragraph? I will zoom.
Paragraph.
Paragraph. You want to read the paragraph first? Okay. I have zoomed the paragraph. Now you can read the paragraph. Can you see that clearly on your screen?
Yes, sir.
Read the paragraph and answer the questions. I think this paragraph we went through in first semester also. Did we go through the same paragraph in first semester? Do you remember? Is it a new paragraph or?
New one only, sir.
Okay, then. Okay.
Yes, sir. Okay. Okay, sir.
Now read the questions.
Sir.
Read the
Okay,
questions and answer. Try to answer as many as possible, and then if it is not possible to answer all the questions, we shall read it again. First question you have already answered. 4 years
4
old.
years.
Second question.
Question.
Tigers.
Tigers.
Right, correct.
Tigers.
Endangered.
Endangered
Endangered species. Right,
Endangered
correct.
species.
Correct. Next.
Tigers are in danger of becoming extinct.
Tigers are becoming extinct.
Dangerous of becoming extinct.
Lizzie suggested family.
Adopt a
Correct, correct news. Now you have given all the answers. How old is Lizzie in the story? Is 4 years old. What were Lizzie and her mother reading about tigers? The tiger is an endangered species. Tigers are in danger of becoming extinct. Lizzie suggested her family adopt a tiger. These are the questions you have answered. Now, the last 3 questions are important. What is meant by endangered species? If you know the meaning of endangered,
Species which are going to be extinct.
Yeah, right. Very good.
Which are going to be extinct.
Okay. What is the meaning of endangered?
అంతరించిపోతుంది.
Right. Very good. Endangered species. Now, why are they endangered species?
Because they are
rapid.
Less in number.
they are decreasing
In population, sir.
Yeah.
Rapid decrease in population.
Why? Do you think tigers need read the last 2 questions and I will show you the paragraph once again. You read. Why are they endangered species? Do you think tigers need to be preserved? Why? The last question is experiential question, right?
Yes, sir. To
You will not
protect
find answer in it. You have to
food.
think and answer. Do you think tigers need to be preserved? Why? Why are they
Yes.
endangered species? Read the paragraph once again.
Due to expansion of cities.
Due to the expansion of cities, right? Very good.
Cities into territory.
Very good. Yeah. That is what we have been doing. What is happening? The world is limited. The world is very small. The land is not increasing, but the population is increasing. Population explosion is happening place. And because of that thing, what are we doing? We are occupying forests. Okay. We are cutting trees and constructing buildings. That is how the area which is meant for animals is decreasing. Expansion of cities is happening. Because of that, not only tigers, but all the animals are endangered, not just tigers. Okay? If you search in net, you will find how many tigers were there some 50 years back and how many tigers are there now. Search it. You will find the answer. Number of tigers were there earlier, 100 years back, number of tigers were there. Now only a few, which are countable on our fingers. Okay. Now what is answer the last question? Do you think tigers need to be preserved? Why? Can you answer this question? Do you have to kill tigers or tigers need to be preserved?
Tigers need to
Tigers
be
need to
preserved.
be preserved.
Yeah, not just tigers. All the animals have to be preserved. All the animals are born on this earth, and every individual, every animal, every insect, every bird, every snake, every reptile has a right to live on this earth. Right? Whichever animal, whichever bird, whoever is born on this earth has a right to live. And samataulyata antam, equilibrium, for the equilibrium of the earth. All the animals are required. All the birds are required. Okay. Sometimes we feel like killing lizards at home, right? Did you ever feel like that?
Yes, sir.
We feel like killing lizards. అనిపిస్తుందా ఎప్పుడన్నా? But lizards are also helping us. Lizards are eating some insects. Whenever there is rain or whenever some small insects come into our house, all those will be eaten by lizards. That is how lizards are protecting us. Every animal, every creature in this world has a right to live. Every animal has its own work, duty to do towards the earth. So all the animals have to be preserved. This answer depends upon your experience, your knowledge. Experiential question will be answered based on your. Now this is a very big passage. Do you want to read the questions first? I think better read the questions. I told you you have to read the questions first. Read the questions. Can you read the questions aloud, please? Can you see the passage? Can you see the questions?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So why the quantities of fines did come to the Tyler, and what did he do then?
It is Taylor, not Tyler. It is Taylor. Why the quantities of flies did come to the tailor and what did he do then? See, So just now I was talking about the small insects. Here it is about flies. What did the tailor want to tell the bird? Where did the tailor go and to whom he did meet? How did the giant and the tailor show their strength to each other? What did happen in the den? Read the questions again quickly. Once you are thorough with the questions, we can read the paragraph. Yeah, shall we go to the passage?
Yes, sir.
Yes?
Yes, sir.
No, only one person is answering. All the
Yes,
others
sir.
are reading the question.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Oh, yeah. Now start reading. Read very quickly. Now, can you answer some questions at least? Why the quantities of flies did come to the tailor and what did he do then?
The scent of
Why did the flies come to the tailor? Why did the flies come to the tailor? You don't remember? Okay, now what did the tailor want to tell the world? Where did the tailor go and to whom he did meet? How did the giant and the tailor show their strength to each other? What did happen in the den? Come on, read it again.
Sir, first one answers.
Yeah, you can answer.
The scent of the sweet jelly was spreading, and the quantities of the file attached by the tailor's
Ditya
mother
Please, stop. Those who are talking to others, please mute yourself. You have to mute yourself. You have to maintain discipline. Yeah, now those who want to speak can unmute and speak, right? Yeah, is it Swati who is speaking? Yes, unmute yourself and speak, please. I have muted all so that there won't be any disturbance. Now you unmute and speak. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you began answering. Somebody began answering the first question. The scent of the gel attracted the flies. Was it the answer?
Sir, Swati was telling that answer, sir.
Yeah, but why is she not continuing now?
Sir, I'm speaking, sir.
Yeah. No, maybe you are muted at that time. Unmute yourself and speak. Whenever there is a disturbance, I will mute everyone. You have to unmute and speak.
The scent of the sweet jelly was spreading, and the quantities of the file attached by it. The tailor took a ragged cloth and beat it with them, and when he counted the slant, so 7 laying
Oh.
dead before him.
To which question you are answering?
First question, sir.
So much answer for first question. Okay, what did he do then? Right. Okay, continue. Continue. You are right. Swati, please continue. Or you can begin again. The scent of the jelly, the scent of the sweet jelly.
Spreading and the quantities of the file attached by it. The tailor took the tailor took a ragged cloth and beat it.
Yes. So how many flies did he kill?
7, sir.
Seven flies. Now we are going to end the class. Already 40 minutes is over. So see you tomorrow morning.
Can you hear my voice?
Yeah, I can hear. We can continue tomorrow again. Okay.
Okay, sir.
See you tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.